We just got this in the mail. There's a QR code on it. If you like to play ping pong, Bob is your uncle with this bad boy right here. Let's check it out. That's it. That's the unboxing. There it is. Comes with its own case. I've taken all the plastic off of it. Bam. You like it? Purple. Check out the sides. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. This is how I hold my paddle, like that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this. I will put this in the details so you can get it. Peace out.